they could come. And I never knew such a love could be inside. And I never knew what my love was for. But now that you're here, I know for sure.
I never knew till I looked in your eyes. I wasn't complete till the day you walked into my life. And I never knew that my heart could feel so precious and pure. One love so real.
Can I just see you every morning when I open my eyes? Can I just feel your heart beating beside me every night? Can we just feel this way together till the end of our times? Can I just spend my life with you? Now baby, the days and the weeks and the years go by, but nothing will change the love inside you and I.
Baby, I will never find any words that could explain just how much my soul you've changed.
Can you run to these open arms when no one else understands? Can you tell God and the whole world you're my woman, I'm your man? Can't you just feel how much I love you with one touch of my hand? Can I just spend my life with you? Can I just see you every morning when I open my eyes? Can we just feel your heart beating beside me every night? Can we just feel this way together